The internet has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and conduct business, opening up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or pursue a full-time venture, establishing an online business can provide you with the flexibility, autonomy, and potential for financial success. 1. Identify your passion and niche. The foundation of any successful online business lies in identifying your passion and finding a niche market. Ask yourself what you are genuinely interested in and passionate about. This could be a hobby, a particular skill, or an area of expertise. By focusing on something you enjoy, you'll be more motivated to invest your time and effort into building a business around it. Additionally, finding a niche market within your chosen field will help you stand out from the competition and target a specific audience. For example, if you have a passion for fitness, you could consider starting an online business offering personalized fitness coaching to busy professionals or creating a niche blog focusing on healthy recipes for vegan athletes. 2. Conduct market research. Once you have identified your passion and niche, it's essential to conduct thorough market research. This involves assessing the demand for your product or service, understanding your target audience, and analyzing your competitors. Market research will help you validate your business idea and refine your offerings to meet the needs of your potential customers. For instance, you can use online tools like Google Trends and keyword research to gauge the popularity of certain topics within your niche. Analyze competitor websites, social media profiles, and customer reviews to gain insights into their strengths, weaknesses, and customer preferences. This information will guide your decision-making process and help you differentiate your business in the market. 3. Define your business model. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, it's time to define your business model. There are various online business models to choose from, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, digital products, and consulting services. Select a business model that aligns with your skills, resources, and audience preferences. For example, if you have expertise in graphic design, you could start an e-commerce business selling custom-designed merchandise or launch an online course teaching others how to create visually appealing graphics. 4. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for the success of your business. Start by creating a professional website or e-commerce store that showcases your offerings and provides a seamless user experience. Invest in high-quality web design, engaging content, and easy navigation to attract and retain visitors. In addition to a website, leverage social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most active and create compelling profiles. Regularly share valuable content, engage with your followers, and build meaningful connections within your industry. 5. Develop a marketing strategy. No matter how exceptional your product or service is, it's vital to invest in marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that encompasses various channels such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, and influencer collaborations. For instance, if you are running an online clothing store, you can collaborate with fashion influencers to promote your products on their social media platforms or create engaging blog content that offers style tips and showcases your clothing items. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Building a successful online business is not just about acquiring customers but also retaining them. Focus on providing excellent customer service to foster long-term relationships and generate positive word of mouth. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address concerns, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Moreover, encourage customer reviews and testimonials to build social proof and establish credibility. Positive reviews can significantly impact the decision-making process of potential customers and contribute to the growth of your business. Building your own online business and making money is an achievable goal with the right strategy, dedication, and perseverance. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with consistency and continuous learning, you can unlock the potential of the online marketplace and create a profitable venture that aligns with your aspirations and financial goals.